Hi friends! Today we are going to learn how to draw a horse. Let's begin. So we're going to start with some shapes. For the head, we're going to make a oval that's just like this and connect a circle for the mouth. Maybe we can make it even rounder for the head, just like this. I'm just going to erase the other lines. So it should look something like this for the head. After, for the body, we're going to make a large oval right over here. About this size. And we're going to connect the head with the body. So we're going to go from up here, go down. And from down here, go down. Here you have your neck. We're going to add some ears to our horse. 1, 2. And we're gonna add some legs. So for the first leg, I'm gonna go down here. This is the leg from the front. So this is the leg you can see from this side. Next, we're gonna do the leg that's behind this one. Just like this. And we're gonna do the same thing for the legs at the back. And we're gonna add the fourth leg that's just behind over here. Perfect. Now we see the back is a bit round. We're gonna try to shape it like this. So we're going up, down, up. And we can erase this part of the back. Perfect. Now we're gonna add some hair to our horse. He has hair on top of his head. He has hair that goes down his neck. You can erase to see better. And the horse also has hair for his tail. So we're just gonna add this. That looks good. Now we're going to add an eye, a mouth, so here we can adjust the mouth, add the nose, that looks so cute. Now it's time to retrace our lines with a black marker or pencil. I'm going to use this black marker. Now take out your coloring pencils or markers. It's time to color. I'll be using some browns. Now for the hair, we're doing a darker brown. And here's a simple way you can draw a horse. See you next time for our next drawing.